How to use the frame tool in Photoshop CC 2019. Key thing, make certain that the layer is editable and also make certain that you've selected the frame tool. Click the frame tool. Once you've got the frame tool selected, you can go up to the top and you can see a rectangular and elliptical. You can use those two. Draw that quickly over the image and there you have it. Very simple. That's it. You could actually stop at that point, but I'm not. There's going to be elliptical one as well. You can create that. And you can see the key panel here in all of this is really layers and properties. You can see the first item in the layers is the frame, and you've also got beside it is the content. You can resize the content, rotate the content, etc. You can obviously drag from a library. You can also place from files. You can also load from Adobe stock. That's done all via the properties. That's the key panel there. So as long as you select the actual, just go there and select the frame, you can see you've got find on Adobe stock. I'm not going to do all that sort of thing. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back right to the start. Again, make certain the layer is actually editable, otherwise. Now, select the custom shape tool, go to the custom shape preset, go one of those, shape layer, and right click on that in the layers panel. You can say convert to frame. Got a lovely frame now, created out to custom shape, very quick and easy. And then you can do all exactly the same things you could do before. You can actually move it around, you can resize the actual content, you can change the frame, you can also drag over from the libraries. Yeah, just drag up, takes a few seconds just to process. You can also just duplicate the frame by just going right clicking the actual frame. If you don't do that, just click the frame itself and then duplicate the frame. You can then, of course, drag additional content over into that frame. Now I'm just going to undo all that. Now, what you can also use is type tool. Just select some type, go up there and resize it. I want it that small, so just going to do that. And now right click on that and go up to convert to frame. Click OK. And you'll see it's gone wrong. Doesn't get it right. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Then suddenly it will turn into a frame. I'm not certain why. Right, so you can move the content around, you can drag content from the library, etc. exactly before. Hope you found this of interest.